Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to another video here on my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Sydney. Before we jump right into the video, don't forget to subscribe, click that bell button, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my videos, and also just follow me on Instagram. I'm way more active on there. You could always just keep up with me, know what's going on, know like just everything about everything. I don't know, just follow me on Instagram. So for today's video, I'm just gonna like get ready with you guys. It's 1:15 in the afternoon, and I just really wanted to make this video. Yeah, just like a good old-fashioned get ready with me. And then I'll probably spend the rest of my day making TikToks. I'm gonna put on chapstick. I have been actually loving this Formula 1006 Soak It In Vitamin C Revitalizing Lip Balm. Just makes my lips look like so healthy and plump. I love it. Zoomed in on the face a little bit more here. Look at this. It looks like a pimple is like trying to happen or something, but it's just like barely there. Like it'll so easily get covered up, I hope. Anyways, we're gonna start off with applying. This has been my favorite thing lately. This is the Glossier Future Dew Oil Serum Hybrid. I have been obsessed with it. So I'm just gonna squirt some on my fingers. It's kind of like a light pink kind of color. I usually don't put it on my chin, but whatever. It pumped out a lot. But I just rub this in. And I'm going for like a more like glowy look today. And whenever I am feeling dry or I do want to go for like a good glow, or if I'm doing like very light makeup and I still want a glow like peeking through my concealer or like my BB cream, then I'll always put this on underneath my makeup. And I just love the moisture it gives and just like the little dewy glow. I usually don't go this heavy, so oh well. But I usually will put some on my nose, kind of like highlighter, kind of like in your highlighting places. I'll put some on my nose and then I'll just like put it all throughout here. But I just put it everywhere today, so hopefully that doesn't like really affect my makeup. Then another, well, I've been using the Glossier Future Dew for a little while, but I have just started using this CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk Nourishing Foundation with coconut milk and aloe extract, and I am obsessed with it. It's like, it's very like liquidy. It literally is like milky. It's weird to say, but it's just great. And of course this is a dewy finish, and I have light medium, although I probably could go a shade darker. It doesn't really get my face dark enough to match my neck, and also I keep looking in the viewfinder, so don't mind me. But yeah, I feel like I could probably pick this up in a shade darker just for summertime, because I get quite tan and my face does not. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I'm just gonna squirt some on the back of my hand, and you can kind of see it run. Like it's pretty liquidy. I'm gonna give myself some little on the face just to start off, and then maybe go in a little bit more. And because I just want all the dew, I'm gonna apply it with a damp sponge. This is the Real Techniques sponge, and just go to town and start bouncing away. Okay, so I went off camera and I put one more layer just to kind of build the coverage a little bit. This thing is so red. Literally, it just popped up. Like, I kid you not, like maybe a couple hours ago I noticed it. So red. But I'm not gonna go like crazy with the concealer. And also this concealer is super light as well. See, that didn't really match me too well. Yeah, I just, I'm unemployed and buying new makeup is not at like top priority right now. So we're doing what we can. Back to concealer. I saw on TikTok the, air quotes, correct way to apply your under eye concealer to like highlight. So you do like a little like zoop guy right there and a little zoop guy right there, and then I'm not gonna use the brush to put it directly on this like little blemish that wants to appear but like isn't really there. I don't know what this is. It's a little red spot because I don't want like the bacteria to go right on it. So I'm just gonna go next to it and then use my sponge to kind of blend into it. Just conceal her a little bit and maybe a little bit around here. There's a little something. And this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I am obsessed with this. Oh my gosh. It is just like the Tarte Shape Tape, but so much cheaper. It's literally like $6 or something like that. Yeah, I don't really know if that did what I wanted it to. And then, so I guess the point of doing your concealer like this is because it really lifts the eye, you know? And doing the traditional like triangle down here doesn't really do any like lifting effect for you. I'm gonna also just kind of dab on my eyelid because I'm gonna put eyeshadow on today, which I never do. Do I look lifted? Also, I don't know about you guys, but I have been like on one with TikTok lately. Like, can we just talk about TikTok? Because I love it. I love TikTok. I am fully like sucked in. At first when TikTok came around, I was like, I don't really know about this. But then it was bringing back all like the Vine like nostalgia. Like, oh, throwback to the Vine days. I miss it. But it's like Vine again. So I'm like addicted. And I've been making TikToks. Follow me on TikTok. It's just Sydney Jaws, like everything else. Yeah, and I'm just fully all around addicted to it. I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face. I need to stop using this in my videos because this is not available anymore. This is the Jaclyn Hill and Becca little like face palette with blushes and highlights. But this is the only like blush and highlight thing I have with me at my apartment because all of my makeup is still at my mom's, and so I cannot wait until our house is done being built and I can just get everything out of my mom's and stop living like a child of divorce with like things in two places. Like, it's so annoying. Anyways, I'm going to take the middle blush and mix it with this one here because this middle one is like a nice, like more like bronzy kind of blush, and then this one over here has a little bit of like shimmer to it for that like glow. Actually, wait, no, pause all that, but remember it. I'm gonna do bronzer first. I'm a hot mess. See, like I never do my makeup anymore, so this is just what we're working with. I'm gonna use the Hoola by Benefit, a staple, with this little guy to contour. Why? I just tried to use this little mirror. What am I doing? She's losing her mind. And I'm gonna go a little bit crazy with the bronzer because my face doesn't really match my body, so I want to like compensate for that, but not in like a gross way, you know? Like, I don't want to look like there's like mud on my face, even though that's starting to. But I just want that sun-kissed glow, you know? Okay, I'm gonna use this little brush to kind of, you know, make the contour chisel, and then I have a different brush to make it look a little bit less like a straight up line on my face. It's fine, we're fine. Then I'm gonna use this buffing brush from Real Techniques with the bronzer and do just that. I'm gonna buff. I'm gonna even put a little bit under my eyes. Oh, who is she? Blend it down, that jawline. She's glowing a little bit. She's looking a little bit better. Also, that thing just is ruining the vibe. This is a get ready with me, not a tutorial, might I add. So like, I'm really not claiming to be good at this. I'm just doing my thing, you know what I mean? I legit just put bronzer everywhere, but it's summer. Who cares? We're in quarantine, who cares? Okay, now remember what I said about the blush? I'm gonna do that right now. Gotta put a little on my nose, because now that's like a thing. Oh my gosh, cute! I like this. Okay, it might look like weird on camera, but my skin looks amazing. And I shaved my face last night, you know, with a little like dermaplane like razor, and I got all the baby hairs and like dead skin off my face, so my face feels amazing. Then I'm going to go in with, this one is Champagne Pop and this one is Prosecco Pop. This one's a little bit more gold. I'm gonna go in with that because we're going for like a golden, summery, sun-kissed look. Now I'm gonna go in with eyeshadow. I haven't worn eyeshadow in a very long time, so I am just using the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just gonna do very, very, very simple, like warm look on my eyes. I'm gonna take Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange, these two on the corner, mix them together, and probably literally put that on my whole lid. I am not a pro at this. I was getting really good at makeup. I was. And then I stopped. Because I got my eyelashes done, you know, I got eyelash extensions, and I really don't like wearing eyeshadow with eyelash extensions because it just makes them look very like dirty, and I do not like that look. Now that I don't have eyelash extensions, I'm like, ooh, let's play around again. And it's really fun. I miss doing my makeup. I'm like not at all like those like really talented e-girls, you know, on like TikTok and everything, but I can do enough to walk out of the house, you know? Even though we can't really like walk out of the house and go anywhere. Cool. Then I'm just gonna drag some down. Then I'm gonna clean it up. And then I was going to try to use this Glossier Skywash kind of like eyeshadow pen. This is in the color Terra. It's like a terracotta color, but I'm just really nervous. I kind of want what would be pretty. Oh my gosh, this is like e-girl status, is if I can find an angled brush and then do like eyeliner with this. Anyways, yeah, I don't have anything to like apply this with, but I kind of just want to like go for it and put it on like eyeliner with the doe foot. Is it risky? Yes. Are we gonna do it anyways? Yes. I'm gonna do this off camera because I just can't, yeah, I can't focus. Look, check it out. I did it. Is it the best that I want it? No. But did I do it? Yes. And I think this looks sick. I have never done anything like this. I just took like the doe foot and literally at like the tippy top of it, that little tip right there, I just put it across my lash line, and then for the wing, I just like did it, and then I took my fingernail and I like wiped it. So I feel very accomplished right now. Okay, then I'm gonna do my brows, and literally all that I do, because I have my brows microbladed, is I just use a little Sculpt brush thingy. This is the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt. And also I've been really loving the whole like fluffy brow look, so I just like brush them upwards like that for a good fluff. Like, look how much better and darker that looks. Also, I'm going like very out of order. I should have put my mascara on, but you know, whatever, it happens. Also, okay, exciting updates about the house. So they are putting in, oh, I just got this in my baby hair. Love that. They are putting in like flooring and other like bathroom tiles, I believe, trims they call them. This weekend, or this week, or I guess it's Friday, so they were this week and then next week as well. And then I'm just so excited because then it's gonna like just be so real to have like the flooring in there and everything. So that is so exciting. I don't know when I'll vlog again and like bring you guys there because I'm going back home to Chicago next week, but I'm sure I'll probably vlog like when I come back from Chicago and bring you guys to the house and just give a little sneak peek of what it looks like, because I feel like that's when it really starts to look like a house, because they also already finished like the drywall and the painting, And like that was crazy to see, like the drywall completely done. And it's just like really coming together. It's insane. Ooh, look at those lashes. Okay, that's insane. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. I actually want to try a different one when this one runs out. But my lashes, I have been using the So Addicted Lash Addict Eyelash Conditioning Serum. And oh, my lashes have gotten so long since I removed my eyelash extensions. Like, I am so happy. All right, all done with mascara. Also for my lip, I just like dabbed a little bit of the NARS Audacious lipstick in Raquel on my lips. I feel like it's like my perfect lip color. Ooh, I feel so cute. Okay, cool. Anyways, that is it for this Get Ready With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I haven't really done anything like beauty on my channel, like makeup specifically, in so long. Yeah, but I'm just kind of, you know, figuring things out with my YouTube and everything, doing a little bit of experimenting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed chatting with me, goofing around a little bit. And yeah, definitely comment down below if you enjoy these. Leave a like, all that stuff. Follow me on Instagram. You know the drill. I don't have to say this. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm posting on Wednesdays and Sundays. Yay! Bye.